Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time, which should be at the very first position. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are connected obviously to the date, time and the time zone, but they are inactive. So as you can see, we cannot really manually change them. It is because we are using automatic date, time and time zone, which are set network based. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options. And now we can freely tap on date, and just by swiping, pick the date we want to use. Tap on OK. And the same situation with the time, just tap on it and swipe it just like that. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time, just tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me randomly pick this one, Norway. As you can see, it has been set. Of course, in my case, because I've chosen the same time zone just like it was set before, the time is still 11:11, but be aware that the time will also change according to the time zone, of course. So remember about that. Here you can use location to set the time zone. Of course, you can turn it off. Here we've got the time format, which is currently automatic, but you can set it manually. You can pick the 12-hour format or 24-hour format. So let me pick maybe 24-hour format. Currently, it will not have any difference. It was the 24-hour format, so after changing to the 12-hour format, we've got this AM or PM here. We've got also the option dual clock. It's up to you if you want to use it. It simply means that you will have two different clocks for two different places in the world. So you will be able to pick another place from which your device will show you the exact hour. So it's up to you, of course. And basically this is the whole customization of the date, time and time zone, and you can get back to all previous settings easily, really easily. Just tap on this automatic here, tap on those switchers and the switcher at the very top. So basically that's all. This is how to change date and time in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.